In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up recurring invoices with Autopay in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a small business owner or someone managing company finances, automating your invoicing process can save you a lot of time and hassle. Let's dive into the steps needed to set this up smoothly. First, you'll want to start by heading over to QuickBooks. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access the necessary features. Once you're in, look for the invoicing section. It's a very intuitive setup within QuickBooks, so navigating through it should be quite seamless, even if you're relatively new to the platform. When you click on the Invoice tab, it will open up options that help you manage all things related to billing your clients. Next, you'll notice a Manage button. Clicking this will bring you to the main control panel for your invoices, allowing you to oversee various options and settings related to them. After you've done that, look for the Customization option. This is where you can tailor the appearance and details of your invoices to match your company's branding and style. By making invoices look professional and consistent with your brand, you help ensure they're engaging and clear for your clients, which can be a subtle but effective way to reinforce your professionalism. Now, it's time to delve into the payment options. This is a crucial part of setting up your invoices, especially if you want to offer your clients different methods to pay. QuickBooks allows you to set up a range of payment methods, ensuring that clients can choose the one that's most convenient for them, potentially speeding up the payment process for you. Following that, you should click on the Design section. Here you have the opportunity to get creative. Adjust the look of your invoices to suit your brand, choosing colors, fonts, and logos that clearly represent your business identity. Next, it's time to click on Scheduling. Scheduling is vital as it helps you decide how often invoices should be issued. This step is where you really build the autopay logic for your invoices, guaranteeing a consistent flow of funds and avoiding the steps to manually send them out each time. Continuing, go to the Recurring Payment and Recurring Invoice options. By setting these options, you tell QuickBooks to automatically send invoices at a regular interval, be it weekly, monthly, or quarterly as suits your business needs. You'll also want to make sure that this aligns with the type of services or subscriptions you offer to your customers. In addition, explore the More Options and Automatic Invoice Reminders sections. These tools allow you to add automated prompts for payments, ensuring your clients are aware of upcoming or overdue invoices without additional effort on your part. Finally, after reviewing all your settings, click on Save. This crucial step stores all your carefully chosen settings, putting your plans for automated recurring invoices into action. And there you have it, a fully automated recurring invoicing system within QuickBooks Online, designed to streamline your business operations and improve cash flow efficiency.